If you've tried self-tanners, but you can't figure out why your results don't look like the photos, or are streaking, fading fast, or just not giving you that natural glow, it's probably not your technique. It's that you've been using the wrong tanner for your skin. First up, Beauty by Earth Tanning Lotion. This one's basically skincare that happens to give you a tan. Aloe, shea butter, super moisturizing, and the color builds gradually over 6 to 8 hours. It's subtle, warm, and natural looking, and hard to mess up, which is huge. If you have dry or sensitive skin, or you just want that healthy glow look without anything dramatic, this is your product. Now, b.tan's 1 hour mousse, completely different beast. Visible color in 1 hour, and if you leave it on longer, it goes even darker. We're talking bold, deep bronze. The kind that actually looks like you just got back from a cruise vacation. It's lightweight, dries fast, and the payoff per application is unmatched. But it's less forgiving. Prep matters, or you'll see it. So here's the real question. Do you want a slow, natural build that's totally foolproof? Or do you want fast, dramatic color with a little bit more effort? And if you still can't decide, here's a little expert level hack. This is actually what I do during the summer months. I use the mousse to build my dark base first. Then I switch to the lotion here and there to maintain my color in between mousse applications. So I get the depth and speed of the mousse with the hydration and longevity of the lotion keeping it alive.